Hi everyone, thank you very much for following me on YouTube. Today we have to discuss about this Nikilam Sutra. That means multiplication of any two numbers near to 10 powers, near to 10 powers by using Nikilam Sutra from Vedic mathematics. And in two previous classes we learned the multiplication of any two numbers near to 10 powers and below 10 powers and above 10 powers also. And today we have to discuss about the multiplication of two numbers. One is below 10 powers and another one is above 10 powers. So what we can do? Now we have to take one example. One example is 12 into 8. 12 and 8 are near to 10 powers. What is the 10 powers here? 10, near to 10. So this 10 is a base number. 12 and 8 are original numbers. These original numbers are near to 10. So 10 is a base number. But here you see this 12, one number is more than 10 and another number 8 is less than 10. Okay, now you see 12 is more than 2 to 10 and 8 is less than 2 to 10. So 8 is less than 10, that's why minus 2 we have to write. 12 is more than 10, that's why we should write here plus 2. Okay, that means 10 plus 2 is equal to original number 12. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Original number 8. Now we have to see the product. The product has two parts. One is left side part and right portion or right part. Left part we have to write first. 12. That means we have to do the cross operation. 12 here minus there. That's why 2. 12 minus 2. 10. And 8 are 8 plus 2. Here place there. That's why we have to add 8 plus 2, 10. In both ways we can get 10 only answer. So in any way we can write this 10. That means this answer here 12 minus 2, 10 or 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. This left side part completed and now right side part. Plus 2 and minus 2 are deficiencies. We have to multiply these deficiencies with including these symbols. So plus into minus minus 2 to the 4. So 4 is minus. Okay, that's why here 10 and 4. Here minus 4. Okay. Now how we can write this answer? From 10, here minus there, we have to subtract this 4. That's why from 10, take 1 and remaining 9 write as this. Okay? And this is separating part. If you take this side, that means first portion or right side portion, this 1 becomes 10. And write minus 4. Minus 4. And now 9, 10 minus 4, 6. Then answer is 96. 96 is the answer. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. 96 is the answer. Okay. Now we have to do another example 108 and 97. 108 into 97. This is example 7. Second. Now you see 108 and 97 are near to 100, 10 powers 100. So here 100 is the base number. But here you see 108 is more than 100, 97 is less than 100. Okay, so how much it is? 108 is 8 more than 100 That's why plus 8 we should write here. 97 is less than 3 to 100. So minus 3 we should write here. Okay, the product has two parts. Product has two parts. 198, the cross operation we have to do here. 198 minus 3, 105, 105, 105. Or 97 plus 8, also 108, 105. So 105 we written here. Next, plus to minus, minus. The 8 3 is 24. This is minus. You see here, the base number has two zeros. That's why we can get in the right side portion two digits. So two digits came. That's why minus 24 we have to do. Okay. Now you see how we can write the answer. It is minus. That's why we have to take 1 from left side portion. So the remaining we taken 1 from 105. So 104 is the remaining. Okay, this one, if you take to right side portion, there are already two digits there. 100. That means 100 becomes 100. 1 we taken and the two digits are there here. So two zeros will come. That means base number will come actually. The base number we should write here and minus 24. It is equal to 104 and 100 minus 24. 100 minus 24 is equal to how much? 76. So the answer is 10476 is the answer. 10,476 is the answer of multiplication of 108 and 97. Okay, take one more example. We have to take one more example, that is 1026. 1026 and 997. Those here. This is 1026 and this is 997. Both numbers are near to 1000. Near to 1000. So the base number is 1000 here. Okay, here one number is more than 1000, one number is less than 1000. How much it is more than this 1000? 26 plus 26. How much it is less than this 1000? 3. That's why we have to keep here minus 3. So 997 is less than 3 than this 1000. 1026 is more than 26 to 1000. Like this we written. Okay, now to take separation work and 1026 minus 3, 1023 or 997 plus 26. Same answer we can get 1023 only. Okay, now we have to write the right side portion of this product. 26 plus into minus minus and 26 into 3. 26 into 3, 78. 78 and this is minus. But you observe here, the base number has 3 zeros. Base number has 3 zeros, but we got 2 digits only in the right side portion. That's why we have to add 0 as prefix. Now we got 3 digits here. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Okay, but this one minus. That's why what we should do here, as like these solutions only we should do here. Take 1 from left side portion. So we can get here 1022. And this one, if you transpose to that means right side portion 1000 will come. That means this base number only will come minus 78. 078 or 78. Both are same only. Okay. It is equal to 1022. This one 1000 minus 78. How much? 922. So the answer is 1022922. So the answer is 10,22,922. D2. Okay, this is one more method. Okay, actually in Nikilam Sutra there are three types. The first one is the multiplication of numbers which are less than 10 powers. The second one is the multiplication of any two numbers more than 10 powers. This is third one. The multiplication of any two numbers. One number is less than 10 powers, another number is more than 10 powers. Okay, this one we done, and you practice and you can understand. If you not understand, again you watch the video. Okay, thank you. And if you like this video, you subscribe my channel and click on click on bell symbol to get more videos. Thank you very much.